Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this magnetic mini voice recorder and I'll show you guys what we get inside of here if I can open it. So this is everything in it here. We have a set of headphones so we can connect it up to the headphones as well. Looks like they're going to connect up through the USB-C port. We have a USB-C for charging, but we also have, or connecting, we also have a connector here, which is going to be USB-C to USB-C, so you can connect it USB-C to USB-C. You can also connect it up to a lightning connector if you had an older iPhone. And then the device is right here. So this is it here. So this is cool. It's going to magnetize on the back of your phone, and so you'll be able to record right from there. So we have an on and off button. I'm not sure what else we have on there. So I don't know if just on means it's recording and off means it's not. We're gonna have to figure this out here. I'm gonna go ahead and figure it out and read it all, but I want to show you first, and I'll show you what it is here in a second. Okay, got it figured out. Played with it a little bit. So the way it works is in off position, it's off. But you can connect it up to the computer at that point, and you can connect it up to the computer and transfer your files, your audio recordings that way. But basically, you turn it on. Is that on? Yeah, on, and you can see it's flashing blue, and then it will be like red and blue alternating, and that means it's recording. So we are recording whatever we're seeing right now. There's a little microphone right over there. And so then you can just turn it off, and you're done recording, and then turn it on again, and then off again. And then when you want to hear it, you can just plug this into it, and then, I don't know if you guys are gonna hear, I don't know where the thing is, but then you turn it off and then back on again, and it will start playing back whatever it recorded. I guess I was at a lull at that point, but you get the idea. So super easy, and this will magnetize on the back of your phone. I'm using my phone to record, but it does stick on there pretty well. So you can just have that on there and have it handy all the time, especially if you're going somewhere and you just want to record some sort of session or something like that, and you don't want to use your phone and have your phone light and everything like that going. You can just turn this thing on, and it only flashes for a few seconds. Like now, it turns itself, stops flashing, so you it doesn't give it a notification that's always recording. It's not like an annoying light. So pretty cool. So if you need a cute little mini little recorder that just connects up to your phone, this is a great little device and can get it done. Thumbs up.